Hey guys, it's Laura here, and I wanted to show you a different kind of tutorial today. This is a extra large photo that I took to my local FedEx store and had them blow up on engineering paper. So what I did is I went ahead and picked up a piece of basically insulation board at Home Depot, and it came in an 8-foot long sheet, so I cut it in half in the store so I could get it in my car. And I'm just peeling back kind of like the plasticky paper here so that my paper can adhere to it better. So I've just gone ahead and here I'm just kind of laying it out, trying to make sure I get it all squared up on the edges and making sure that I like the fit. And next I'm taking an X-Acto knife and I'm just kind of skimming the top layer. You could use a pencil at first if you don't feel confident in your cutting abilities, which I did on my first round, which is the first photograph that you guys saw, which is the one of my daughters. And I recommend tracing it with a pencil first. And then next thing you're going to do is you're just going to kind of break the two pieces apart. You don't really have to worry about your cut being perfectly soft, if you will, because you're going to cover it with white duct tape. Yes, that's right. I know it sounds so silly, but it actually gives it a nice finished look. But all you're going to do is just kind of lay out the duct tape and get it nice and flat and smooth, and then slowly turn it down. Honestly, the part that matters the most here would be like the bottom edge, because that might be seen, but that would just be if you're not going to frame it, or if you just want to go with like the canvas look almost, because that's kind of what it ends up looking like. Now on the edges, I kind of just tucked them down like how you fold a present, and then I just covered them each with a little tiny square piece of the tape to kind of make it nice and smooth and finished. Okay, now on to how you get the paper to stick to your foam board. So I went ahead and I put double stick tape along the top, and in hindsight what I would have done next time, or what I will do next time I should say, is I will go ahead and put it around the entire perimeter of the paper. And the reason for that is just to give it a little bit extra security. Next, I'm going to use Easy Tack by Krylon, and I'm going to go ahead and peel back my top layer, and I'm just going to load the foam board up. Honestly, the more the merrier here. I should have put a ton more on. I noticed a little bit of wrinkling in my finished product, and you may be able to see that in the photograph as well. And so I will most likely take this down and put more Krylon Easy Tack on. And this part you may want to ask somebody to help you. This paper that I'm using is 3 feet by 4 feet. It is huge. And so you might want to have someone help you kind of lay it down so you can get it nice and straight and flat and get your finish just the way you want it. Make sure you press through and smooth it all out to get all of the wrinkles and bubbles out of your paper. Okay, we're ready to hang it up. I went ahead and used command strips, and I put them on all 4 corners. I used the ones that Velcro so that I can easily just peel this down when I'm done. And then I just used my 9-foot ladder and pressed and applied it to the wall. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And there you go, finished product. Like I said, you'll see a little bit of wrinkling, but not so much when you use an actual photo. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.